Hello babes, what's up? It's your girl Jamie here, and today we are doing a nail tutorial. First off, guys, don't come for me. I'm not a pro. I haven't done nails in years, and I just got back into doing my own nails at home because my friends over at Madame Glam reached out and wanted to send me over some fun stuff and also send me over a 30% off your entire order coupon code for you babes. So if you use the code JamieLee30 at checkout, you can buy whatever you want from that website and get 30% off, girl. But they sent me over a nail lamp, a base coat, and a top coat. And they sent me over 3 gel polishes. So they sent me over their regular gel polishes in baby pink and in beige rose. And then they sent me over their one-step gel polish in simple tan. I've never used the one-step gel polish before, and let me tell you, she came to impress. So first off, guys, we need to prep our nails. Grab your Sally Hansen Instant Cuticle Remover because she is the truth, she is the queen. And then go ahead and push them cuticle back, scrape them up, get it all off them nails, and then go in with your cuticle nippers and clean that up. We do not want any cuticles left under these nails. We are using full cover tips, aka what people would use to do press-ons, right? We're kind of doing the après dupe situation. So yeah, we need to get our nails ready. So you're gonna file them, and then you're gonna go in with a nail dehydrator and a nail primer. Don't worry if you guys aren't quick at writing all these down, girl. It's all gonna be in the description box for you, so don't worry. Then we're gonna prep and apply our tips. So what you're gonna do is use an electric nail file to file the inside of those tips, and then you're gonna set them to the side and get ready to pop them on. And all I'm using is the Madame Glam base coat. I'm simply applying it to my nail, popping that tip on, and cooking it under my little light. Now you can use any light for this. The reason that I'm using the Kiara Sky little light is because it makes it easier to hold the tip onto your nail. That's literally it. You could definitely use the Madame Glam light. You could use a bigger light, kind of whatever works for you. But I did pick up this Kiara Sky one, and I wanted to show you guys everything that I'm using and give you an honest video because this video is not sponsored. They just sent me over some fun things from Madame Glam. So keeping it honest with you guys, and I just wanted to hook you up with a discount code because that's the kind of girl I am. And I'm using the Kiara Skylight. It's like $30, and I would honestly say if you're just starting out, it's really not a necessary purchase. But if you wanted it, that's what I used, and it did make it a little easier for me with the tips. Now, I know you guys see my hands are looking a little rough. I got cuts, scrapes, bruises, and all the mess in between. That's because I work with little lovebirds who are the sweetest, most awesome children, and they are on the autistic spectrum. So sometimes they have trouble communicating, and I will end up with cuts and scrapes and bruises, and that's a-okay with me. But it also means my nails have to be pretty darn short. So of course, file and shape to whatever length you want, and then go in with your one-step gel polish. I love this because we're going to be doing a design on top. This means that the polish is going to be fully smooth. It's basically a base coat, top coat, and a color all in one. So it'll be fully smooth. It's not going to have that sticky layer like it normally does with gel polishes, which is going to make it really easy for me later when I'm doing my design. But because I use nail tips, right? These tips are plastic. They're not like real après ones that have the gel in them. So we got to bulk them up. So I'm going in with 3 coats of this one-step gel polish, and it does the trick. These feel like real nails. Like I got them done at a salon. It's amazing. But you can see for my design, I'm using 3 colors. I'm going in with the Madame Glam Baby Pink, and then I'm going in with my Modelones Strawberry Ice Cream and Dancing with Me. This is the design we're going off of. It's so gorgeous. I will link this Pinterest post down below. Like, gotta give credit where credit is due. I think this is so beautiful. I just wasn't really feeling the red, so I did like a spicy hot pink instead. And guys, this nail design is so fun and simple because there's no right way to do it, right? You are just doing whatever you want to do. You're just slapping the colors on with your little nail art brushes and swirling and mix them however you want. And if you don't like how anything looks, guess what? Grab a clean nail brush, get some rubbing alcohol on the tip, and just wipe it off your nails. Because you used a one-step gel polish, it is easy to wipe everything off and go again, because gel polishes need the light to cure, right? So if you make a mistake on your nails, they're already smooth and like ready to go, like they had a top coat on them because of the one-step polish. So I literally was just wiping off my mistakes with rubbing alcohol and then going on about my business, and it worked so well for me. And you can see I did a little bit of a different design on each nail, but I still used the same 3 colors, and I really love how this came out. I just feel like it looks so funky and fun and different for the summertime. And I cannot wait to give you guys more nail tutorials. So if you like this video, please make sure you give it a thumbs up. That's how I know you like it. And also make sure you click that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss a video on my channel. We have changed upload dates, so now I will be here every Wednesday and Sunday with you guys. I posted a poll. Y'all seem to love that idea, so I'm gonna rock with it because it makes it a little easier for me to get you guys out content regularly. And this is what I want to do, is make you guys content and just have fun with y'all on the interwebs. So I really hope you're enjoying and that it works for you as well. And now we are at the top coat stage. So literally all you're gonna do is apply your top coat to each nail and cure it under the light. I will say that I don't think you should do all your fingers at once, just because the Madam Glam lamp is a little small, so it's hard to fit all of your fingers. And so while you're trying to cure your thumb, the top coat is moving around on your other fingers and you're just gonna make a mess. So don't do what I did. Literally just do one part and do the next. But I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, make sure you click that subscribe button. I had so much fun making this video for you guys. You can see right next to you there are some fun videos you can click on from this channel, more of these baddie on a budget type videos, so click on them and keep watching because I know you're gonna be sticking around.